Stop paying monthly subscriptions for software that hasn't changed since 2020. In 2026, AI isn't just an add-on, it's the entire engine. Today, I'm showing you the top 5 AI tools that are officially replacing the big tech paid software you've used for years. Let's save you some serious money. Number 5. The Photoshop Killer, Picto AI. First up, if you're still paying for Photoshop but only use 10% of its features, you're overpaying. Picto AI is the 2026 standout for image editing. Unlike Photoshop's complex layers, Picto uses an AI agent. You don't click tools, you just tell it what to do. It does in 5 seconds what used to take 20 minutes of masking and brushing. Number 4. The Premiere Pro Killer, Descript 2026 Edition. Instead of paying for Adobe Premiere Pro Final Cut, use the free version of Descript 2026 Edition. Video editing used to be about timelines and keyframes. Now, it's about scripts. Descript has evolved into a full-scale AI production house. You can edit your video just by deleting words in the transcript. If you misspoke, their 2026 Underdub feature recreates your voice with perfect lip syncing to fix mistakes without a reshoot. It's essentially a pro-level studio that feels like a Word doc. Number 3. The MS Office Killer, Gemini for Workspace. Instead of paying for Microsoft 365 Office Suite, we all have that Excel dread. But Gemini has integrated so deeply into the free Workspace suite that it's making paid Office subscriptions fee obsolete. In 2026, you don't write formulas, you ask questions. Gemini, find the trend in this Q4 data and build me a chart. It even writes your emails in Gmail and drafts full proposals in Docs based on a one-sentence prompt. Why pay for a suite when the free one is smarter? Number 2. The Copilot Killer, Cursor. Instead of paying for GitHub Copilot, paid IDs, the devs out there, GitHub Copilot was the pioneer, but Cursor the new king. It's an AI-native code editor that understands your entire codebase, not just the file you're in. In 2026, people are vibe coding. Using vibe coding, describe the feature you want, and Cursor writes the front-end, back-end, and the API logic simultaneously. It's faster, deeper, and has a free tier that outclasses most paid competitors. Number 1. The Jasper Copy.ai Killer, Writesonic Agentic Mode. Instead of paying for Jasper Copy.ai, the number 1 spot goes to Writesonic. Remember when AI writing was just okay? In 2026, Writesonic's agentic AI doesn't just write, it researches. It crawls the real-time web, fact-checks every claim, and optimizes for SEO as it goes. While other tools charge a premium for basic templates, Writesonic provides a full content marketing team in one tab. It's the ultimate replacement for expensive AI copywriters. The subscription fee is optional in 2026. Before you go, which of these paid softwares are you the most excited to cancel? Let's talk in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, do subscribe, click like and share. To help you save some cash and upgrade your workflow, 2026 AI champions mentioned in the video are Paint Palette Picto AI, Photoshop Alternative, Clapperboard Descript, Video Editing, Bargraph Gemini Workspace, Office Alternative, PC Cursor, Coding Assistant, Writing Hand Writesonic, Content Writing. Which of your current paid subscriptions are you planning to cancel first after seeing these?